Oh my god, the downtown BGKY Harvest Festival is nearing. If free live music, pumpkin smashing, and food sounds like a winning combo, you'll want to bring the whole family downtown at 10 a.m. on October 14th for a day of fun. Plan to visit Circus Square and Fountain Square parks along with Soki Marketplace. Construction crews begin work on the College Street pedestrian bridge rehabilitation. A $1.6 million grant and $400,000 in city funds will pay for the rehab project expected to be completed in the fall. Road work is underway on the Weston Roundabouts project at the Ashley Circle and Weston Street intersection. Once that intersection is complete, work will begin on the intersection of Weston Street and Patrick Way. The intent of this project is to improve traffic flow at both intersections. This has been your Bowling Green News Minute.